How to fix no internet, secured in Windows. 1. Move your device closer to the internet router. 2. Restart your router and computer. 3. Disconnect your Windows from current VPN/proxy server. 4. Use Windows Internet troubleshooters. 5. Forget the internet connection. 6. Remove and reinstall the network drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Run these commands as admin. netshare winsock reset netshare int IP reset IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flush then restart your computer. 8. Enable the following subjects in networking properties. Client for Microsoft Networks, file and printer sharing for Microsoft Networks, QoS packet scheduler, Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, Microsoft LLDP protocol driver, link layer topology discovery responder, link layer topology discovery mapper IO driver. And disable Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. 9. Change your DNS server. 10. Perform a network reset. 11. Contact your ISP or a PC repair shop.